Hi, this is Corey. I'm going to show you in this quick tutorial how to take a picture of your iris for an iridology reading. So all you need is a mirror. You can use your closet mirror or a bathroom mirror with some good lighting. So in this case we propped up some lights, but if you have a bathroom mirror with maybe some overhead lighting, that would work and that's sufficient. And then you need your phone and you point your actual camera at your eye. In the reflection of the mirror you can see what you're doing. And then you zoom in so that your eye and the sclera, the white around your eye, fills out about at least half of the picture frame. And then you let it focus. Open your eye wide and take a picture. Let's see, I don't think, yeah, that could be a little sharper. It's not horrible, but it could be a little sharper. And of course, the lights, they do have a reflection in your iris. You want to minimize the reflection as much as you can. But it's sometimes not really possible to go without reflections altogether, even when you use a flashlight, and I'll show you that part later, how to use a flashlight to light up your eye more. So let's take another picture. You zoom in a little bit, so it's about half or more of your picture frame. Let it focus. Open wide. And then, let's see. You have an okay picture. So if you don't have a professional setup, a professional iridology camera, or anyone who could take that picture for you, professional photographer, then this works. It's not perfect, but it works. I hope this was helpful, and I'm going to show you next how we take a picture with a flashlight. Next thing, I'll show you how to take an iris picture if you don't have good lighting. In that case, we'll use a flashlight, and it's easier to do this with another person who can hold the flashlight into your eye, but I'll show you how to do this on your own. Okay. You hold the flashlight at an angle so that it doesn't blind you. You hold the camera again. Let it focus. You just want to light up your eye without blinding yourself. Open your eye wide. Let's see, and this is the picture. So it's okay. It's of course not professional quality. For that you need an iridology camera, but it works for our purposes. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.